I'm literally in a Zoom while filming. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tay and I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be doing something that's been circulating all over YouTube and on TikTok, Twitter, everywhere. With the new iOS 14 update, everyone's been updating their phones, making them look more aesthetically pleasing and so on and so forth. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. I've been trying to mess around with my phone all day long, all day yesterday, and I just can't seem to find what I want to do, so I think I'm just gonna do it right now and hopefully I'll like the outcome, or maybe it'll just be more of a tutorial on how you guys can do this as well. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. First thing you want to do is look for a background for your phone, so you're basing everything off of what your background is. So I'm looking at these leaves or whatever, they're just like palm tree leaves or just any type of leaf. So I see this picture here and I'm going to download this image and I'm going to make it my background screen, my wallpaper for my home screen, and so boom, there's our wallpaper. Search for images that might fit what you're trying to do. So I'm thinking of more of like green, white, and pink. Like I was thinking about browns earlier. I just want to show you guys that I have these pictures here that I want to include in my aesthetic, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I have so far. To create the things on your home screen, you want to download Widgetsmith. I find that Widgetsmith is the easiest and the most aesthetically pleasing in my eye, because there's other apps as well, but they're not as nice in my opinion. So I'm gonna go into my Widgetsmith app. As you can see, I've had some different things here from earlier, but we're gonna change that. So first I want to start with a medium size widget, and I'm gonna use the calendar because I really want to use the calendar. So for font, I definitely want to use New York for everything, and I want the font to be white. The background color, on the other hand, I'm not too sure if I want it to be pastel pink or gray. I think I'm going to do pastel pink. Yeah. So what you're going to do is, and also I'm going to add a white border to it. So when you're done doing that, you want to leave it and you want to press save. And now we're going to go to our home screen, and the first page that I have here, I'm going to hold my screen down and I'm going to press the plus on the left hand corner, and we're going to scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith, and I'm going to select add widget. It's going to make it pop up as the crescent moon, which is what I want eventually, but right now I want to show you guys how to get the calendar I just did. You're going to press edit widget and you're going to select the one that you made. So the one I just made is widget number 5, and boom, you have your pink and white calendar. So I'm going back into Widgetsmith and I'm going to create a small widget of my own photos. So what you want to do here is you want to go to your photos and you want to select the photo you want to use. So right now I'm going to make a small widget of this picture right here. So I'm going to add this picture to its own album. So I'm going to add to album, and I'm going to make it 4 because I have different numbers already. So then we go back into Widgetsmith and we're going to do photos from an album, and you're going to go and select the album name you just made. So number 4 is the one I did. So it should pop up here and you press save. Okay, So now we're going to go back to the home screen that we want to do it at, and we're going to repeat. We're going to press the plus on the left hand side, and we're going to scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith, and we're going to select small widget, press done, hold it down, edit widget, and you want to change it to small number 2. So boom, we have our Polaroid pictures here. So we're going to repeat this step with every single widget. I don't know what I want to do. I'm going to play around. I'm going to show you guys how to do a shortcut. So we're going to go to Shortcuts app that's already on your phone. I had to delete it a long time ago because I was running out of space on my phone. I just decided to delete it, but now we're back here because iOS 14 made me do it. You're going to press the plus sign, add action, and you're going to type in open app. And now you're going to choose the app that you want to use. I don't know, my period app. And we're going to press the 3 dots on the corner over there, and we're going to give it a shortcut name. So I'm just going to put period tracker, and I'm going to press add to home screen, and then you want to press that, choose photo, and I'm just going to put like girls are magic because we go through that. So I'm just going to do that and to show you. I'm going to press add, and that's added to our home screen. So we're going to go to our home screen, and it's right there, period tracker, period. No pun intended. So I'm going to move this to where I want it to go. So I think I'm going to put it on the first screen. So like that, it's just like this. And so yeah, that's just something you would repeat for every other app you want to change and stuff like that. So that's my little tutorial on how to use Widgetsmith to create different widgets and selecting pictures to make it more aesthetically pleasing, and using shortcuts to make new icons for apps. The only thing is when you do open the app after making the shortcut, you're going to press it and it's going to bring you to the shortcut, then to the app that you want to use. If you don't have a problem with that, then you can do that to all your apps, but personally I think that's going to annoy me, so I'm not going to do everything. Probably do like some things that I don't really use. This is kind of like the idea that I'm going for. It's a quick little tutorial on how to make your iPhone aesthetically pleasing. So I'll be working on this all night long, and hopefully I'll have a finished product to show you guys. Y'all, it's been about 6 hours since I made the actual sit down part of the video, but I think I got my phone the way I want it to be, so I'm gonna screen record. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So when you first look at my phone on the home screen, it is social butterflies, because you know, kind of like, you know, social media, you know, you're gonna go talk to people, you're gonna interact with people or whatever. But then I also have like my reminders under that, because like sometimes like I'll get distracted by those apps and I need to, you know, be reminded what I need to do. The next page, I have the calendar that I created earlier and the 2 widgets. I think I added this time after the fact. I don't really remember. I was doing way too much with this. So I added the time. I also added my batteries here. And I changed my period app to just the white heart, so it like fits in the background. I changed my notes shortcut and calendar shortcut, so like that it blends in with the background. And I left everything else the way it is because I just need to see where it's at. This is like my favorite page. I wish that I could put something in this little space, like another little mini widget or whatever, but you know, you can't, so it's okay, it's fine. But I have this camera here and these Polaroids, and then I put a picture of myself just because it fits the whole aesthetic. And also I changed my background like 17 times, but this is the final background that I'm picking. this is just like my camera stuff. More of my editing apps are in my app library, so this is just what I would use on a daily basis. I also added another page, and it's like fitness page and like money page. So up here I have this widget that says, hey you, don't give up, okay? And it's like my watch app, and I changed the shortcut to something cute. I have my Planet Fitness, I have my clock here to use for a stopwatch, and my fitness app for my watch. And I have this little widget here that says keep going, super cute. And then another one with dollar bills that's shiny. It just makes it look like it matches the watch, and it's just like, you know, fits. And I have like my money app, like where I work, my clock in thing for work, Venmo, Cash App, and my Citizens Bank. And this I just have like extra stuff in the folders that I'll eventually need sometime. And then yeah, my app library has all my apps, and I didn't change my FaceTime call and messages or music. I just want everything to stay the same. I don't like the shortcut popping up when I'm opening something that I use consistently. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there'll be more videos coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below what your aesthetic is, or what you chose to do for your phone, or what you like about mine. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye.